Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook perfect hard-boiled eggs. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with somebody who might find it useful and helpful. Before we boil them today, I'd like to give you a little handy tip. When you hard-boil an egg that is fresh or less than a week old, there's a white membrane underneath that shell that is very much attached to the inside. As the days go by, the inside of the egg will slowly and slightly shrink, causing the membrane to separate, therefore making it easier to peel when you hard-boil it. Also, eggs at room temperature are easier to peel once you boil them. So if your hard-boiled egg is difficult to peel, it's not your fault. You most likely have a fresh egg that it's probably less than a week old. To begin, we're going to fill a pot with tap water. The water should cover the eggs. You can test it by placing an egg inside the cold water to ensure that it is completely submerged. Next, we're going to bring the water to a slow simmer. Use a ladle or a strainer to carefully lower the eggs into the water. The eggs should be at room temperature. The stove should be on low and we're going to simmer the eggs for only 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off the stove, cover the pot, and remove it from the heating element. Now we're going to set the timer and let the eggs sit in the hot water for 14 minutes. After 14 minutes, use the strainer to remove the eggs and place them in a bowl with icy or very cold water. As the eggs cool down, the water will become warmer. I like to change the water until the eggs come to room temperature and they are cool to the touch. And after a few minutes, they will be ready to be handled and peeled. Grab one egg at a time and roll it gently over a hard surface. You will notice that the shell cracks in multiple places, making it easier for you to peel the egg. Give it a little rinse and transfer it to a clean bowl. Let's repeat it one more time. Roll the egg over a hard surface and notice how the shell breaks into multiple pieces, making it easier to peel. Let's take one more close-up. As you can see, the shell easily separates from the egg. Now let's slice the egg and take a look inside. Beautiful egg, perfect and delicious. Let's take a closer look. And there you have it, super easy. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with somebody who might find it useful and helpful. I'll see you next time and have a fabulous and very blessed day.